Ready to level up your video editing game and save serious time, while keeping your projects looking slick and professional? First, let's understand what we're dealing with. An edit preset is essentially a saved combination of animation settings or effects that you can easily apply to other layers and compositions. This helps establish consistency across all your projects and makes editing much faster. To get started, open After Effects and locate the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and ensure Effects and Presets is checked. This panel is your hub for managing and applying presets. You can also organize your presets by creating new bin. Select the new bin icon on the bottom left of the panel to begin. Name the bin to your liking. Now, let's say you have a text layer with a cool animation. To save this as a preset, select the layers in the timeline that contain those effects. Then, go to the Animation menu at the bar and select Save Animation Preset. A dialog box will appear. Give your preset a descriptive name and choose a location to save it. It's best to save them in a place you can easily find later, maybe even the folder you just created. After selecting the location, the Save button will save your new preset. Okay, time to apply your preset. Select another layer in your project, or even a different project in the Effects and Presets panel. Browse to the preset you saved. You can use the search bar to quickly find it. Once you do, simply drag and drop the preset onto the layer you want to modify. Boom! The animation and effects from your preset are instantly applied. You can then tweak individual parameters if needed, but the core look and feel are maintained. Presets are unbelievably powerful. Use them for everything from intro animations to complex visual effects. They speed up your workflow, ensure consistency, and free you up to be more creative. Now, go forth and start creating awesome videos.